Hi everybody, Steve Kanger here. Our latest listing brought to you by the only name you need to know for real estate in Niagara, the agency and team moving Niagara. Today we're at 423 Deere Street in the beautiful city of Welland. 1,000 square foot raised bungalow, 2+1 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fully finished basement. This is a must-see. It even has a gorgeous deck and a really nice good sized backyard. But enough talk, let's show them, Thomas.